Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Too Much on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo, and you'll just need two different chords. First chord being 3-3-2 on the top three strings there. The second one being 7-7-5. And the fingers you want to use are your ring, pinky, and pointer. Same with this chord. And then there's just a passing note between the two. And that's just the 5th fret with your ring finger.